Alright, y'all, just finished wrapping this box today. Had a ton of stuff to do today. This is for I think it's a 2003 Honda. It's got two Scar ZVX 12s going in that one. Just also wrapped this, I don't even know what this would be called. I guess a console raise, because it's going under this console to raise it up. And still got a cubby hole in there. Got the logo on both sides. And I did this box, look at that, 411, almost 2 months now. Waiting on the guy, he's coming to get it, but his car is getting some other work done before he sends that to me. So, had a lot of stuff going on, man. Now, I had to cut my grass, do some things to the truck, but, you know, gotta do what you gotta do and get it done. Hscustomaudio Designs. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Peace.